Recording progress.
Hi, this is Professor Rijo Moreno with an overview of Learning Unit 2. You'll see the Learning Unit 2 list is provided for you. Once you get on to Wiley, you will see Unit 2 pop up right underneath Unit 1. Unit 2 strictly covers Chapter 3, and the reason it's only about one chapter is simply because of how intensive this chapter is. You're going to be learning right up front in Learning Objective 1 in Chapter 3 how to analyze transactions. This is really very important, and it's usually time consuming because everything you're going to be doing from now on is based on this analysis. So please spend time learning how to analyze transactions. Look at my video, look at the tutorial, do the reading. There's also some tutorials on how to analyze transactions that I provided for you here as well. Please don't skip any steps. Do them as you see them. After you have a chance to analyze what accounts are affected, you're going to learn the language of accounting in Objective 2, which is every account has two sides, a left side and a right side. We just simply name them debit and credit. They simply mean left side of an account or right side of an account. Every account has two sides, and only two things can happen in every account. You either have more of it or you have less of it. So part of the analysis is getting used of the new lingo that you're learning here and understanding what we sort of mean by debit and credit. This is how accountants talk. This is normally how it works. It takes time to get used to because it's not equal across the board, okay? A debit to one account might not do the same thing as a debit to another account. So it's very, very important to sort of understand and take some time. The first two objectives, highly time consuming because you're learning a new language. So get started right away. Once you have done the analysis, Learning Objective 3 introduces you to actually how to do accounting. The first place accounting starts is in a journal. So you're going to learn how to do that. There's tutorials on how to do that as well, as you see here. From the journal, the numbers travel to something called a ledger, a general ledger, and you're going to learn how that works. Ledgers are very large books of accounts that basically have a summary of what's happening in each of the accounts. Every account has a balance, so we want to make sure all the balances on the left side are equal to the balances on the right side, and that's what we do a trial balance for. There's a lot of summary here. There's a large learning review to do. These are time-consuming types of exercises. And then, of course, we end with a learning unit exam. Please note those due dates. Very important in the summer schedule. We only have a few days, or roughly around 6 days per learning unit. Time goes by very quickly. Please schedule your time. And again, if you need me, give me an email. We can set up a face-to-face Zoom meeting as well. So just send me an email and let me know what you need. And I hope you're doing well. Okay, take care.